back to another video. Make sure to stay tuned for LOL dolls surprise. My sister is going to show LOL dolls. That is one of them. All the rest are secret. Plus babies. So stay tuned for that. And we might, once we get good at rainbow looming, we might make a video on how to rainbow loom. Bracelet.
All the Series 3 little sisters are outside on the balcony. Because I put them out there because I want them to color change.
Oh, okay. So today we're gonna make a motorbike plus cannon. So first thing is you want to make the motorbike. So you want to try to find a piece that looks like this. Should look like that. Mini TIE Fighter, not really. And you want to find this piece, and what piece was it? I can't find it because they're all scrambled everywhere. This piece, two of those. Let's go scavenging. What was it? Scavenging this piece. And I think that is it. No, friends. And this piece. Let's see. So once you've got that, once you've got all the pieces, plus this piece, I totally forgot about it, and 2 lightsaber holders. Should look like that. Like that. Okay, you want 2 of those? One of these. Once you've got all those pieces, you want to cover up. So first thing is you want to get your one of these. Okay, you see this piece, and you want to grab what was it again? Yeah. Here we go. So I'll be right back, and I'll show you how it's supposed to work. This is what it should look like. It should be like a miniature chair. It should look like that. You can flip up and down so you can go mech form, unmech form. Don't worry, I created this all by myself. I also forgot one important piece. This piece, it goes under right here.
Just putting it all over your face. Get it.
If you guys can hear my sister, just ignore it. So once you got this, I'll place this right here. Once you want to get this piece, these 2, and all the other pieces. So that one went missing. Okay. Then once you got that, you want to use this brown piece, connect it on what's it called? Onto this, so it looks like this. After you've done that, put the piece under. I'll show you. It should look like this. Once you've made that, you want to place this little one right in the middle of it. Just saying it won't be equal, so just don't rage. Or just like, seriously, I want it equal. First thing, this stupid piece. Where'd it go? Fell. Well, I think all you gotta do is connect it onto this piece. And yeah. Okay, where'd you go?
Where did what go?
Okay, I'm just looking for the piece. So once you've got that all connected up, which won't connect. Once it has looked like this, you want to place it right here.
Kitty, want to wear my tooth?
You want to place it a little bit more down. The stupid brown piece.
Yeah, it's too big.
You want to connect it on. I'll quickly connect it on offline. It won't connect on because it hates me. You can put it anywhere in your structure of it. I don't care. But this is how I made it.
Okay.
What?
I want to bring my stuffy. Okay, get your stuffy. Okay, let's go.
What?
No, that's your stuffy.
Oh. Okay. Once it has looked like this, the brown piece needs to be on top. Connect these on top. So it looks like this. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I will get that stupidly brown piece, but you already know where to put it. So this is what's mine. You can do it like this if you want. There are 2 ways. So let me just get this. Pew, 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 pew. Well, that happened. Well, once you've got that, you can flip it up and down. It can be a chair.
We got some.
You don't need to add the gun form. It can be whatever you want. Next up is the cannon, but you gotta make the guy because in this little set, there's a guy and that controls it. So you want to build your guy.
Little coconut cutie.
I just picked some clone outfits, not like the exact one, but yeah, white pants I didn't get because it was lazy. Next, okay, once you've built your thing, it shouldn't look like this. This is how I made mine, with one arm. That's how I do it, with one arm. Next up is you want to build this little protector from shooting the cannon. Down is you want to, just build it really quick. So it should look like this, little stairs up.
Jump.
Just please go back up. Once you've got that, you place this to the side. After, you want to find a piece just like this, okay, and you want to get 2. It does not matter what color, it should look like this. You want 2 of those. After you have both of those, you want to get one of these, okay? You need this piece or else it won't work, unless you want to add like the refiller. After that, it's pretty hard to do it on camera, so I'm going to have to do it off camera.
Here's the sunset thing.
It should look like this. I will be showing it to you any second. Just the first one's insanely hard.
There you go, Nyan Cutie. Come on. You want to see Cutie? Don't fall asleep.
Whoa. After, it should look like this with this little thing on the side. These things should be connected. This should be there, and it can't move. After, you want to get this piece. You want to use this side and connect it on into the middle piece. So it should look like this. Long piece should be sticking out. So it should look like that. Put them to the side. Want to get this. That piece is actually pretty tough. Unless you just want to get those 2 holders. And you can do that also. And then you get one of these pieces. I internally use these because I found them. And that's what I found. And I bet they look the coolest. Because they're like connected. You can use, and once you've got that, you can place it down, and it should look like 5 things. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. After that, you want to make this. Well, just connect this onto that because I forgot to. After, you can put that to the side, and then you want to connect this thing on. Once it should look like this, that should look down.
That was actually pretty fast.
And up. So it should go like this. Look down. Once it gets on the actual thing, it can. So you can put that to the side. It needs something to hold it. Once to stand it up. So after, you want to get a keyboard, and that's just a little thing. You want to get like a fireplace thingy. After you get that, you want to place it on, and it should look like this. After that, you want to get a chair and just put it here so you can like control it. And so the miniguns can go right here.
Can we play fancy? Fancy is in the card.
So you can put it like this and it'll control the shots. Pretty cool, right?
Boom.
Yeah, thought so. So you can go like that, you can control the shots. Pretty cool. Actually, this is not all I put. I actually made my own little set. I won't be making this on video because it might be like over long to do. So yeah, this is the set I built. And actually, instead of the cannon would go right here. Sorry if my arm's blocking. Oh, never mind. So the cannon would look like that. With the keyboard,
I'm just gonna
over to the side. And it should look like this. It should look like that, and it controls shots. Then we want to get a yellow. I'll move this out. Then you want to get a yellow, and this blue speck does not matter what color. It's like a gas thing, and pin it onto the side of your cannon. So it should look like that. And you can always pull it off, and you have like a little tube. You can always like connect it, like it's refilling gas. And also, I put this little thing in. Well, I put this thing to the side, like this. And then the cannon, and then, the motorbike? Yeah, this would go like this. Sorry, guys. It would go like this. So it would go on the side. You'd carry it. after that, I'll show you the entire set combined, how it should look like. 2 secs. Let me connect this. And with your little figure standing up on here, watching it. And also, if you guys didn't see, well, this guy just needs to stand. Plus this, look, 2 seconds. This is really confusing, but your bot goes there. If you can see, there's another guy inside. I made a pod, that's why it only has 1 arm. But after that, I'm gonna connect the entire set all together. After that, it should look like this. Screw that thing, I don't care. This is what it should look like. This is the main,
Are we gonna show the LOL now?
No, I have to make a different video, so stay tuned, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye! Sorry for not making any videos for a while, school and stuff. So, okay. Subscribe, please. I need more subscribers. And hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell for notifications every week. I will be making videos Wednesday and all weekend, except this weekend. There's things this weekend. So, bye!